This warning has been issued by the SCP Foundation. Please stand by for further instructions.
A civil danger warning has been issued by the SCP Foundation. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. Hello. We are the SCP Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to studying and containing anomalies that somehow break the laws of nature, physics, or reality. We regret to inform you that our sun and moon are no longer safe. They have turned into what we call SCP-001. They started to melt anything that's alive. Do not let moonlight or sunlight touch your skin, as when it does, it melts you alive. You'll become a blob-like creature. Over 3 billion people had already turned into these flesh-hungry monsters. The only way to survive is to cover your skin. Do not let moonlight or sunlight touch it. Do not go outside. Seek an underground shelter. We understand that this may be hard to handle and may take a huge toll on your sanity. But there is still a chance for us to survive in the darkness. Please make your way to Site 19 in the center of the USA. Do not also listen to the voices outside. Those are the blob creatures trying to lure you into the light. This is all for now. Goodbye. Secure. Contain. Protect.